Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Microsoft Store is missing on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run this command. So copy the first command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy it, then type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste this command, hit the enter key. Now once done, restart your computer. Now after the system restart, copy the second command. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box once again, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow, paste the command, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, now type in Store or Microsoft Store in Windows search box and open Microsoft Store. Now still you are unable to open Microsoft Store, and if it's missing, then launch Xbox app on your computer. So Xbox app is pre-installed on your computer. So type in Xbox app and then click on Xbox app. Now if Xbox app is not pre-installed, then go to this website. This link is provided in the video description. Open this link, scroll down, click on download the app, install Xbox app, and then open Xbox app on your computer. And once you open Xbox app, if Microsoft Store is missing, on the bottom or on the top, it will be written, this app needs an extra component. Microsoft Store is needed for account management. And you will see the install option. So click on install. Now here you can see installing Microsoft Store. Once Microsoft Store is installed, you should be able to open Microsoft Store. Now you should be able to open Microsoft Store. So one of the steps should help you to install Microsoft Store on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.